Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a burst of color, a breath of fresh air, and perhaps a new green friend for your home, then you have to check out where I am today. I'm at the stunning Menteri Besar Recreational Park in Berakas, experiencing the magnificent Live Flowers exhibition. This incredible exhibition, organized by the Department of Environment, Parks and Recreation, JASRI, and the Women's Council, is a true celebration of nature's beauty. You'll find a breathtaking array of live flowers and plants here, showcasing the incredible diversity of flora. And here's a tip for you plant lovers. Many of these beautiful plants, flowers, and even gardening materials like compost are actually for sale. So you can take a piece of this amazing exhibit home with you. Now, one of the most exciting parts of this exhibition is how it celebrates our nation. In conjunction with His Majesty, the Sultan of Brunei's 79th birthday, different sections of the park have been transformed into unique showcases by the districts of Tutong, Belait and Temburong. Each district brings its own unique flair, presenting stunning displays of flowers, plants, and even beautiful decorative pieces. I've been chatting with some of the regular park users, and they were amazed at how quickly this whole spectacular display was put together.
Kita dua orang selalu di sini kah? Ha? Jogging ah. Sejak bila mereka mulakan Saturday.
Dia buka ini.
Tapi lepas ini untuk seminggu saja kan?
Untuk seminggu.
Lepas tu dikeluarkan semuanya tu.
Keluarkan.
Tahu ah?
Itu pasalnya bukan ni. Semua dari kan.
Jadi barangkali mereka akan ambil balik lah. Ha? Kalau selalu maintain macam ini bagus lah. Ha?
Banyak orang datang.
Yalah, ramai orang pun tidak tahu lah. Terima kasih ya. This start, have you?
Last 2 weeks only.
Last 2 weeks
No,
lah. When did they manicure the lawn everything?
Last 2 weeks lah.
Last 2 weeks only
Every
do
day
it.
Rush
Rush job
job.
I thought only beginning of this year because I haven't been here, huh?
Last 2 weeks or last 3 weeks only. It's
Oh,
all rush job. All these are freshly planted.
since it's planted here, I hope they maintain it lah.
Everywhere is planted. Buds are cementing everything. But the rest all
Okay.
This show.
Yeah, okay.
It really shows that when the organizers commit to an amazing vision, it can be executed beautifully and efficiently. The theme of this event is about the beauty and cleanliness of the environment are the foundation of national prosperity. And seeing this incredible effort certainly inspires you to take care of our surroundings. In fact, many of the joggers and walkers here have expressed a common hope that these beautiful plants and flowers might be kept here to permanently beautify the park, even after the exhibition ends on October 19th. I definitely share that wish.
Things like the KNY nursery, after this is over, they will move their plants. But this one, the orchid will be maintained because already planted here. Permanent.
Good lah, at least.
Yeah.
This park slowly has been getting nicer with KNY. They got the contract.
Yeah, okay.
So it has improved.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's why nowadays we get more and more people coming.
Yeah.
So, if you want to experience this natural beauty for yourself and maybe pick up a stunning new plant, make sure you get down to the Menteri Besar Recreational Park before October 19th. The exhibition is open daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Let me know in the comments if you're planning a visit and tell me which plant you'd love to take home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.